It's about feeling. The combination of young people, drugs, a fairly sexually charged social environment, and syncopated music is just all designed to draw you into you and your...
Hey! Y'all know who it is already. Say hi to Prince, man. I'm up at the wee hours, man. It's 5:44 a.m. Me and my partner Kurt, man, just finishing up and put some final touches on Ivy League Kickback. The Ivy League Kickback was just an inspiration on my whole Ivy League club movement. Like, it's like my more party side of me, you know. It's more like my lighter side. Like, I love hip-hop so much that I like to give real stories, but sometimes, you know, I like to give, you know, I like to have fun too. So I'm just doing some records that I feel like I would like to party to, I would like to kick back to, or, you know what I'm saying, listen to on my everyday basis. So this is just a project that just goes through just, you know, a lot of times in my life, the good times, and we added some parts that, you know, lead to a kickback. There's certain things throughout the week that make you have to just say, man, we overcame that, or man, it was so stressful this week, man, we just need to just chill, kick back, smoke some weed, and drink some liquor and whatever, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we doing on this one, and it's like a combination of storytelling and, you know, having fun at this kickback is gonna be, you know, epic. So get ready. It's gonna be on datpiff.com. Datpiff.com, man. Shout out to Three Little Digs. Shout out to Tree Sound. This is, you know, where the tree sounds, you know what I mean? Like, it only sounds right. Tree and sounds, you know? So, man, you know, we just doing what we do, man. Real professional, you know what I'm saying? Doing this for the fans, actually. Like, it's all about the fans, man. It's not about nothing else with me. Like, you know, I can have my little bit of fans and be cool with it. Like, I don't, you know what I'm saying? I'm not looking to overly impress, you know, anybody that doesn't like my music or whatever. So this is just for the fans, man. We just put out music, great music, and keep it going, man. Album coming soon. You know what I'm saying? Say hi to Prince, Ivy League Kickback. Go get that Piff. Hey! Three Little Digs, bitches.
In the grocery store, we ain't getting no bread at the